An amazing wonder prepared for mankind comes to Istanbul, Turkey.
God bless you. My name is Johnson Suleiman. Please take a break and listen to this announcement. I hope it makes you well. Join me as I come to ENQUIRY in Istanbul, Turkey. Be my guest in Turkey for 2 days of God's manifestation and power. Tell everybody in Europe, tell everybody everywhere, join me in Turkey. It's going to be outstanding. It's going to be powerful. God will be healing people, will be ministering to people, and your life will never remain the same. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody that Apostle Johnson Suleiman is coming to ENQUIRY. I'm coming to Turkey. God bless you.
20th to 21st July 2021, 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Happening at Dogan Arasli Bouvari number 21, Car 3, on top of Akbank, Dennis Bank, Tabela Duraki, ENQUIRY, Istanbul, Turkey. For inquiries, please call Impact 2021. Get ready.